The following message has been transmitted to the Texas Department of Public Safety. We have experienced a blizzard warning that is going to happen on Tuesday, March 29th to Sunday, April 3rd. The blizzard will happen in 12 cities in Texas including Plano, Frisco, McQueen, Dallas, Richardson, Arlington, Irving, Denton, Waco, Austin, San Antonio and Houston. The power will shut off and the internet will be down. Please stay in your house and lock all doors. I repeat, please stay in your house and lock all doors. Thank you.